Hello students, today we are going to solve exercise 5.6 of class 12th NCERT. First of all I want to tell you that we will find out dy by dx as you have studied in exercise 5.2 and 5.3 also. But this is a different exercise. Why? Because these equations are in the parametric forms. Why they are the parametric forms? Because here and x and y will be in the term of t and any other variable. Okay, as you are looking here that x is given here in the term t, y is also given here in the term t. Here look at here, x is given here in the term theta, y is also given here in the term theta. Here a and b are some constants. We what are the parametric forms? When x and y are joined with another variable, okay, that are known as what? Parametric forms. Okay, and we have to find out what dy by dx. Okay, first you look at that x, there are variables. You can consider that a and t also, but a is a constant and t is a variable. Here x is the value of x is in the term of t. Here the value of y is in the term of t. So we will differentiate first x with respect to t, then y with respect to t. Okay, now you will write down what? Differentiation with respect to t means dwr2t. Okay, this is differentiation with respect to t. Okay, d by dt as it is with of x. It means is what? Differentiation of x with respect to t. Differentiation of x with respect to t. As you know that 2 is a constant. 2 is a constant. That will be as it is. Now we will differentiate a t square. Okay, we will write on what? As we have written here d by dt, here also we will write on what? D by dt. 2 as it is, as you know it very well that differentiation of x square, that becomes what? 2x. As it is, d by dt of t square will become what? 2t. Okay, now 2 2s are 4, a as it is and t. Okay, here also we will differentiate with respect to t as we have written here. There is no need to write down again. Okay, now what we will do? We will write down d by dt of y, d by dt of y as it is. Okay, here a is a constant, that's why it is इसको हम लोगों ने बेटा क्या कर रखा है? पहले लिख दिया. Okay, d by dt of t is to power 4. What is the differentiation of t is to power 4? That will be 4 t is to cube. Okay, a as it is. Now that will be what? 4at cube. 4at cube. Now we have to find out what? dy by dx. May I write down dy by dx as dy by dt upon dx by dt. Why? Because if you want to cancel dt, then it will remain what? dy by dx. Okay, tell me what is the value of dy by dt? That is what? 4at cube. I have written here. What is the value of dx by dt? That is what? 4at. That also I have written here. Now what will be happen? 4a will be cancelled out. T will cancel t cube as a power 2. Okay, now we have find it out the value of dy by dx, that is what? T square. Okay, now we will go to the next question. Is given here what? The value of x is given here in the term of theta as x is equals to a cos theta, and value of y is also given in the term theta as y is equals to b sin theta. But this is not the second question of the book, because in the book it is written here b cos theta. बेटा cos theta सेम हो जाएगा ना, तो फिर क्वेश्चन और इजी हो जाता. दैट इज वाई आई हैव यूज हियर sin theta. Okay, now students we will do what? We will differentiate x is equals to a cos theta with respect to theta. Okay, that is why written here what? D by d theta of x. A is a constant, that's why it is as it is. D by d theta of what? Cos theta. And we know that d by d theta of cos theta is what? Minus sin theta. A is as it is. Okay, now it is written here what? Differentiation with respect to theta. Now we will differentiate y with respect to theta. That is why it is written here differentiation of y with respect to theta. B is a constant, that's why we have written as it is. And d by d theta of what? Sin theta. And we know that d by d theta of what? Sin theta is what? Cos theta. Okay. Now we have find it out what dx by d theta and dy by d theta. We have to find out what dy by dx. May I write down dy by dx as dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Why? If you want to cancel it out, you can cancel d theta by d theta, and the value will be what? Dy by dx. But you know it very well that we will not cancel it. Okay, we just understand it that y it is equals to dy by d theta, but we do not cancel. Okay, dy by d theta as it is given here b cos theta, and dx by d theta is also given here what? Minus a sin theta. Cos theta upon sin theta, that will be cot theta, and minus we have written here, and b upon a as it is. Okay, this is the value of what? B dy by dx, that is what? Minus b upon a cot theta. But remember this is not the second question of the book. Why? Because in the book it is written here at the place of sin theta cos theta, because the cos theta will be same. That is why the question will be more easier. That's why I have written here sin theta. Okay, but both questions are equivalent, or both questions are same. Okay, now we will go to the question number 3. What is written here? Question number 3, this is what? X is equals to sin theta and y is equals to cos 2t. Sorry, x equals to sin t and y equals to cos 2t. Here you can look at that x is written here in the term of t and y is written here in the term of t. That is why these equations are known as parametric equations. Okay, now we will write down what? Dy by dx, differentiation with respect to t. Then d by dt of what? X, means differentiation of x with respect to t, as we will write down in RHS also. Okay, in LHS also we have put what? D by dt. In RHS also we have put what? Dy by dt. Dx by dt will be as it is, and we know that the formula d by dx of sin x is equals to cos x. Same d by dt of sin t, that will be cos t. Okay, same here we have done what? Differentiation with respect to t on both sides. D by dt of y, d by dt of cos 2t. Okay, dy by dt will be as it is. We know that d by dx of cos x, that becomes what? Minus sin x. At the place of x it is written here what? 2t. That is why it is written here minus sin x at the place of x, 2t as it is. Now we will differentiate 2t also with respect to what? T. Then we know that d by dt of t will be 1. D by dt of t will be what? 1. 1 into 2 will be what? 2 only. Okay, that is why it is written here minus 2 sin 2t. Minus 2 sin 2t. Okay, what we have to find out? That is dy by dx. Dy by dx will be what? Dy by dt upon dx by dt, and you know it very well that why it is. Okay, dy by dt we have found it out what? Minus 2 sin 2t upon dx by dt is what? Cos t, and minus 2 will be as it is. Do you know that what is the formula of sin 2 theta? That is 2 sin theta cos theta, but it is written here in the term t. That is why it will be 2 sin t and cos t. Whole upon cos t, cos t, cos t will be cancel it out, minus as it is 2 2 is a 4 and sin t. Okay, this is not written here anything else. Okay, this is your answer. Now we will go to the question number 4 also. It is also written in the parametric forms of the term t. X is written here what? X equals to 4t and y is equals to what? 4 upon t. As you know it very well, the formula of what? Dy by dx of x. Do you know? D by dx of x, as it is, I told you in class 11th also. D by dx of x, that is what? 1. D by dx of root x also, I had told you that you have to learn it. Okay, but you should know that from where it has come. Are you remember that what is the value of d by dx of a square root of x? That I had told you 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, that also you have to learn it, that what? D by dx of 1 upon x, d by dx of 1 upon x, that will be minus 1 upon x square. How? That you have to do by yourself. Why? Because this is very simple. As you know it very well that d by dx of 1 upon x, may I write down like d by dx of x is to power minus 1. It will become what? Minus 1 will come here and power will be subtracted by 1. That it will be what? Minus 2. That will be what? Minus 1 upon x square, that I have written here also. Are you getting what I am saying? Okay, now what we have to do? We have to differentiate this equation with respect to t and this equation also with respect to t. Okay, that is why I have written here differentiation with respect to t, that I have written in the short form. Okay, that you can also do in the board examination also. It is written of what? D by dt of x. Okay, 4 will be constant, that's why it is as it is. And you know that what is the value of d by dt of t, that will be what, 1. The value of d by dt will be what, 1, and 4 1 are what, 4, as it is. Here dy by dt will be what, 4 is a constant, as you know that d by dx of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Same d by dt of 1 upon t, may I write down like this, 1 upon t, the value differentiation of 1 upon t, that will be what, minus 1 upon t square, as I have told you here. Okay, now minus 4 upon t square will be, okay, we have to find out what, dy by dx. May I write down dy by dx like dy by dt upon dx by dt. Okay, what is the value of dy by dt, that I have find it out, what, minus 4 upon t square. What is the value of dx by dt, that is 4. 4 will be cancelled out, and the answer will be what, answer will be what, answer will be minus 1 upon t square. Okay, this is your answer. I think these are the very simple question, as you have exercise in 5.2 and 5.3, but there are in parametric forms, that is why. Okay, I think that is a very simple exercise. You will try it by your own. If there will be any doubt, then you will tell me in Google Classroom, and I will reply by making the video or taking the screenshots of the solution. Okay, now we have to find out the dy by dx. Here the parametric equations are given, what, x equals to cos theta minus cos 2 theta, and y is equals to what, sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Okay, now these parametric equations in the term of what, theta. That is why we will differentiate with respect to theta. That is why I have done what, d by d theta of x, and we know that what is the value of d by d theta of cos theta, that is what, minus sin theta, minus, as it is, d by d theta of cos theta, that will be what, minus sin theta, and 2 theta will behave as theta. That is why I have written here what, written here as it is. Okay, 2 theta. Now we have to differentiate 2 theta also with respect to theta, that you know that d by d theta of theta will be 1 into 2, that will be 2. Okay, minus minus will be positive, and 2 sin 2 theta I have written here. Okay, this is what, minus sin theta. Y was given here, sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Here also you know that we have to differentiate this equation with respect to theta. That is why I have written what, dy by d theta. Do you know what is the differentiation of sin theta? Yes, cos theta, minus, as it is, what is the differentiation of sin theta, that is cos theta. 2 theta will behave as theta, and we will differentiate 2 theta also. Theta will be 1 into 2, that will be 2. That is why I have written it here. Okay, but we had to find out what, dy by dx. We can write down dy by dx as dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Value of dy by d theta is what, cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta, and the value of dx by d theta is what, minus sin theta plus sin 2 theta. There is no need to solve it much more, but if you want to solve, you can. Okay, you can, if you want to solve, you can. How you can, by the way, you cannot solve it much more. Why? Because cos theta you will convert in cos theta, but nothing will be common here. From here you can take common also sin theta, but you know that further it will not be cancelled. That is why we do not need to solve it much more. Okay, now we will go to the next question, that is question number 6. Here also we have given what, two parametric equations. First, that is the value of x. Secondary, that is the value of y. Here x also in the term of theta, and here y also in the term of theta. And you know it very well, if the parametric equations are in the with the variable theta, then we will have to differentiate with respect to theta. Okay, x is what, here you can write down here, what, differentiation with respect to theta. Okay, now what will be happen, dx by d theta is equals to, a is a constant, that's why it will be as it is. D by d theta of theta will be what, 1, and d by d theta of sin theta, that will be what, cos theta. Okay, and it was also given y is equals to a in the bracket 1 plus cos theta. Okay, now you can also write down here differentiation with respect to theta. Okay, now dy by d theta will be what, a is a constant, that's why it will be as it is. 1 is a constant, and you know that the differentiation of a constant number, that will be what, 0, plus as it is d by dx of cos theta, that you have remembered that this is what, minus sin theta. 0, no mean of 0, when we will add minus sin theta into 0, that you get what, minus sin theta. Minus sin theta we have to multiply by 1 a, minus sin theta into a, that will be minus a sin theta. This is the value of what? Dy by d theta. This is the value of what? Dx by d theta. We have to find out what? Dy by dx. May I write down dy by dx as dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Dy by d theta what was? Minus a sin theta, and dx by d theta was what? A in the bracket 1 minus cos theta. Minus, as it is, you know that sin 2 theta is what? 2 sin theta cos theta. With the same, sin theta may be write down like 2 sin theta by 2 upon, into cos theta by 2. First of all, I want to tell you that all the formulas of trigonometry that you should learn, okay? Now 1 as it is minus, in the place of cos theta I will write down what? 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Now 1 minus 1, that will be cancel it out, minus minus, that will be positive of 2 sin square theta by 2, okay? Minus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 I have written as it is, okay? 2 will be cancelled out. Here this is a power of sin theta by 2 is 1. Here the power of sin theta by 2 is what? 2. That is why 1 sin theta by 2 will be cancel it out, okay? Now what is left? Minus, as it is, cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2. That will be cot theta by 2. This is the value of what? Dy by dx. Now student, I think that all of you will solve the rest of the questions that are also very easy. You will try once, then after, if there will be any doubt, then you will tell me. I will make the video on that topics also, on that questions also. Okay, thank you.